Don't toss it, transform it. These upcycled crafts are beginner-friendly and beautiful. Have you ever looked at something you were about to throw away and thought, maybe I could do something with this? In this inspiring first episode of Craft Your World, just for you, we're showing you exactly how to turn everyday items you'd normally toss into beautiful, functional, and creative treasures. This isn't just about crafting, it's about reimagining the world around you, giving forgotten things a second chance, and realizing that creativity doesn't require a big budget or fancy supplies. All it takes is a little inspiration, a few basic tools, and a willingness to look at trash with new eyes. In today's episode, you'll learn how to create 5 beginner-friendly DIY projects using items you already have at home. From empty cans and glass jars to worn-out clothes and scrap cardboard, these simple materials can be transformed into stunning pieces that reflect your personality and style. For instance, we'll show you how to take old tin cans and turn them into chic desk organizers using nothing more than some paint, fabric scraps, and a bit of glue. They're perfect for keeping your pens, brushes, or even kitchen tools organized, and stylishly so. Next, we'll upcycle glass jars into glowing lanterns that bring warmth and charm to any space. Whether you hang them on your balcony, use them as table centerpieces, or line them up on a shelf, these jar lanterns are proof that beauty can come from simplicity. You'll also learn how to transform an old t-shirt into a no-sew tote bag, a project that's as practical as it is fun and ideal for reducing plastic use in your daily life. And if you've got any cardboard laying around, you'll love the rustic photo frame tutorial that adds a touch of charm to your home while making use of materials you already have. Finally, we'll take something as basic as a plastic container and give it new life as a minimalist plant pot, perfect for small succulents or herbs. These projects are more than just crafts. They're acts of sustainability, self-expression, and creativity. You don't have to be an expert crafter or spend money on expensive supplies. These Ds are all about making the most of what you have, finding joy in the process, and creating things that reflect your values and taste. Along the way, you'll not only save money and reduce waste, but you'll also start to see everyday items through a new lens full of potential and possibility. By the end of this episode, you'll have 5 practical, pretty, and eco-friendly pieces to proudly display or gift. More importantly, you'll walk away with a deeper appreciation for the power of creativity and the joy of giving forgotten things new purpose. So gather your recyclables, get cozy, and let's craft a better world, one upcycled project at a time. If this episode sparked your imagination, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update. Leave a comment below and let us know which DIY you're going to try first. And don't forget to tag us in your creations. There's a world of possibility waiting in what we so often throw away. Let's create it together.